Good morning. As you can hear, it's a pulsing noise. It's the same if it's on a suspended wooden floor or a solid concrete floor, or even picked up by the handles. It's really quite distracting and much noisier than I was expecting. But aside from that, it works brilliantly. It's just I can't have it on if there's someone in the room or trying to do something. Anyway, have a good day.